I think it's really important for sales managers to do ride-alongs. It's the best way for them to judge their salesperson. But one of the problems I see with sales managers is they tend to take over the call. So rather than sit and evaluate the salesperson, they start interacting with the client, and it really defeats the purpose of the ride-along. And so one of the things I always try to do with sales managers is say, hey, if you have a schedule of 12 calls with the salesperson, ahead of time figure out what is your role in each call. Sometimes you may want to take over the call because the rep may not know the product. That's fine, but not every call. You know, some of them you have to see and observe because you'll see things that they don't recognize within themselves. They may walk over a question that would be obvious, or a client may be starting to talk about something that's really important and they just keep going down their list of questions because they're not listening to the answer. They're just figuring, okay, I got to do these because that's what I've been trained to do. So that's the kind of thing where a sales manager can sit back and after each call say, okay, first of all, you can ask them how they think the call went. But then after that, you can say, well, when the client said this, what was your next question? Well, do you see where that's not really directed at where the client was giving you information about a problem they had? You took it in a completely different way, and that's a problem. So you can come back and use those coaching moments to make the salesperson understand, oh, that's how I can do better.